Do you want to access your Homelab, your NAS, your services from anywhere in the world securely and without dealing with complicated firewall rules or VPNs? In the next minutes, I'm going to show you how to set up NetBird, an open source, WireGuard-based tool that makes remote access easy. And the best part is it's open source and free for home users. But what is NetBird? It creates a secure peer-to-peer mesh network between all your devices, your phone, laptop, and home server without needing a central VPN server or worrying about port forwarding. Your devices will act as if they were in the same network even if they are in completely different continents. So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. Setting up NetBird is really easy. All you have to do is go to netbird.io and click on Get Started. Click on Sign Up, enter your email and create a secure password and hit Sign Up. Select Personal, and I heard about them from GitHub. I want to use it for Homelab automation, Homelab remote access, and file access. Here they are telling you can exploit a specific device or your entire network. We will do both, but we will start with the entire network. So click on this, and I want my entire subnet, and enter the subnet for your network, and click on Create Resource. Now you have to generate a setup key. It will be used to authenticate your devices with your account. So click on Generate Setup Key and copy it and click on Install Routing Peer. Now you have to install NetBird on a server that is in your network. So you can install it on any Linux, Windows, Mac OS or any Docker container. So I will go with Docker, and you can deploy that container with this command. But I will install it using Portainer. So click on Installation Guide, and this is what I'm searching for. I want to run it in a Docker Compose. So copy this and open Portainer. I showed you in a previous video how to set up Portainer. If you don't have that yet, make sure to watch that video first, then come back here. Click on Live Connect, click on Stack, add stack, and let's call it NetBird, and paste this bad boy. Scroll down and let's see what's going on here. So we have one service or one Docker container, and it is called NetBird. Here we can specify its host name. I will call this NetBird and paste the setup key we have copied before. Scroll down and hit deploy.
A few moments later.
And it's running, so click on containers, and here it is. So go back to NetBird, and here it's telling you NetBird is now installed, which means your home network is now connected to the NetBird. So all you have to do now is install NetBird on your devices. So your phone, your laptop or your PC. I will start with my smartphone first. Click on Install NetBird, Android, and just download it normally from your Play Store. So I will do this, install, alright, continue, and log in with the account you have created before, and accept, and that's it. Now my smartphone is connected, as you can see, and on the PC I can see that my smartphone is also connected. Here you can see all the devices connected to your network. So open this. This is a Docker container itself, and under networks you can see my Homelab network. So let's disconnect and continue in the web browser. Here it's telling me I have to test the connection from my device, which I already did, so click on continue. And I don't want to create a rule now, so disable it and click continue. Go to dashboard. Alright, this is a dashboard. Here you can see your peers and add some new peers. Here you can see and create new setup keys. I will delete this one right now because I don't want to see your devices in my network. Here we have our access control with policies and groups, and our networks are here. This is actually my Homelab network which we have added before. And the network routes, here we have DNS, we don't need this now, and team. These are the users, and under team you can see the users. And that's it. Now let's add some peers and start configuring the policies. Click on peers, add peer, Linux, and copy this. Paste the installing command, and it's installed. Here it's telling you to connect, you have to type NetBird up. So let's do this. Copy this URL and paste it in your browser to authenticate. Confirm. Looks good. And here it is. The server is now connected. Now let's go to policies to create some rules. I don't want users to access routing peers, so I will deactivate this. Or I will actually delete everything. And let's add some policies. Source. You can select if you want to allow groups or peers. I will go with peers. And my smartphone. Only outgoing, so I will deactivate this. And for destination, I will select my entire network. Here you can select which bots will be allowed. I will go with everything. name and description. I will call this Me to Network. Add policy. And that's it. Now I will go to groups to create a group for all my devices. Go to groups and create. I will call this My Devices. Create. Now I'm inside the group, so I will go to peers, assign, and select all my devices. Now I have only one, so click on assign and go back to policies, open the policy one more time, and I will replace my smartphone with the group I have created before and hit save. And just like that, your entire Homelab is now accessible from anywhere in the world, securely and for free, no matter what your external IP address is. But wait, remembering IP addresses is boring. In the next video, I will show you how to access your services using your own .com domain and NetBird. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. This is Libre-Data, and we are just getting started. See you in the next time.